Hey everybody, what's going on? Today I bring you this 1998 Lexus ES300, and this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the ES. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today I'm at my family's dealership, Car Connections Incorporated, in Reidsville, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. This generation of the ES came with frameless windows. Has a beige leather interior. Got 137,000 miles. Fires right up. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel. Nice quality. Steering is smooth and the leather is soft. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive selected right here. It's leather stitched. Yeah, let's go ahead and count the hazards. As well as the headlights. It does have automatic lights, fog lights, automatic window. Yeah, let's check out the exterior, shall we? Paint's in fantastic shape. Tires are in good shape. Full power sunroof. Got a little bit of drizzle going on. Yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood. Has a 3-liter V6. Very clean. Everything has a nice soft touch to it. Padded. All your power windows, locks. Power mirror controls are located here, as well as your trunk and fuel cap. 2-person memory for the driver's seat. It is fully powered. Tilt steering wheel. Yeah, let's go and see how she sounds. Not a bad engine. After this, they started putting the 3.3 liters in. until they changed the body style in 2007 and started putting in the 3.5 liter engine. The only thing on the interior that I'd like to point out is the screen on the radio went bad, and I've noticed that's a common trend on older Lexus and Toyota models. Has the Lexus premium sound system. Tape player. CD player is actually located in the trunk. Easy to use audio controls. Climate control. Different modes. Digital clock. Attach a garage door opener up here. Automatic. Power outlet. Is a leather padded center console. Cruise control. Yeah, it's going to shut it down. Check out the rest of the vehicle. Place to put your fuel cap. Padded material back here as well. The leather is very nice quality in these cars. It's very soft and supple. Provides excellent comfort. Modest rear space back here. Can be a little bit tight for people over 6 feet. Trunk pass through. Does have a nice amount of trunk space. Full power passenger seat. Doors have a nice soft close to them as well. Not bad at all. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 1998 Lexus ES300. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.